Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but did you know that a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and natural compounds can significantly lower your risk? Certain fruits contain bioactive compounds that protect your cells, reduce inflammation, and even stop the growth of cancer cells. In today's video, we'll uncover 7 powerful fruits that are scientifically known to fight cancer naturally. So, stay tuned and let's dive into my list of these superhero fruits. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. They are brimming with compounds that act as your body's natural defense against cancer. Among their most potent components are phytonutrients, which work to combat oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of cancer. These nutrients enhance your body's ability to repair damaged DNA, reducing the risk of mutations that lead to tumor growth. Moreover, blueberries are rich in pterostilbene, a compound similar to resveratrol, which has shown remarkable potential in slowing the spread of malignant cells. This makes them especially effective against cancers of the breast, colon, and pancreas. Research suggests that the regular consumption of blueberries may even enhance the effectiveness of traditional cancer treatments by supporting the body's immune system. Another benefit lies in their ability to modulate inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a known precursor to cancer, and the bioactive compounds in blueberries help to regulate the body's inflammatory responses, creating an environment that is less favorable for cancer cells to thrive. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is simple. Toss them in your morning oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or snack on them fresh. A handful a day can serve as a delicious and powerful step toward reducing your cancer risk. Number 2. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are often referred to as nature's antioxidant powerhouse, and their role in cancer prevention is nothing short of extraordinary. Packed with ellagic acid, this vibrant fruit helps suppress cancer cell growth by neutralizing harmful free radicals before they can damage your cells. Additionally, the polyphenol in pomegranates are known to inhibit angiogenesis, a process where cancer cells recruit new blood vessels to fuel their growth, effectively starving tumors of the nutrients they need to expand. What sets pomegranates apart is their ability to target hormone-related cancers. Studies have shown that pomegranate extract can block enzymes linked to the spread of breast and prostate cancers by disrupting hormone signaling pathways. The fruit's compounds, including punicalagins, can reduce the oxidative damage that often triggers these cancers, acting as a natural shield for your cells. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet is easy. Sip on fresh pomegranate juice, sprinkle the seeds over salads, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Their unique flavor and health-boosting properties make them a delicious and essential addition to a cancer-fighting lifestyle. Number 3. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are more than just refreshing additions to your diet, they're potent cancer-fighting superfoods. These vibrant fruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radical damage, which is a major trigger for cancer development. Beyond their antioxidant properties, citrus fruits contain flavonoids, such as hesperidin and naringenin, which are known to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation, a key contributor to cancer progression. One unique advantage of citrus fruits is their ability to support detoxification processes in the liver. Compounds like limonoids and D-limonene promote the breakdown of carcinogens in the body, reducing the likelihood of these harmful substances causing cellular damage. Moreover, studies suggest that these fruits can prevent the formation of nitrosamines, a type of cancer-causing compound, especially in the stomach. Citrus fruits are also recognized for their role in boosting immune defenses, helping your body recognize and eliminate abnormal cells early. Their fiber content aids gut health, which is closely linked to overall immune function and inflammation control. Number 4. Apples. An apple a day might be more powerful than you think when it comes to warding off cancer. Packed with phytonutrients, such as quercetin and catechins, apples are natural warriors against oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to the formation of cancer cells. These compounds are particularly effective at targeting inflammation and protecting DNA from mutations, which are critical steps in preventing cancer. The fiber content in apples, specifically pectin, plays a key role in promoting a healthy digestive system. By supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, pectin aids in breaking down harmful substances and flushing out toxins that may otherwise contribute to colon cancer. Additionally, apples contain polyphenol, which have been shown to suppress tumor growth and prevent the spread of cancerous cells in laboratory studies. What sets apples apart is the power housed in their peels. The skin of apples is rich in triterpenoids, compounds with significant anti-cancer properties, particularly against liver, colon, and breast cancers. Furthermore, the antioxidants in apples have been linked to reducing estrogen levels in the body, which may help lower the risk of hormone-driven cancers like breast cancer. For maximum benefits, enjoy apples fresh, with the peel on, or incorporate them into smoothies, salads, or baked dishes. Their natural sweetness and health-enhancing properties make them an easy addition to your diet, supporting your body's natural defense against cancer. Number 5. Grapes, especially red and purple. Grapes, particularly red and purple varieties, are small yet mighty when it comes to battling cancer. They owe their cancer-fighting abilities to resveratrol, a potent antioxidant found in their skins. This compound has shown remarkable properties in slowing down the growth of cancer cells and preventing the formation of tumors, especially in the breast, liver, and stomach. But that's not all. Grapes are also loaded with flavonoids, which work to neutralize harmful free radicals. These free radicals can damage cells and lead to cancerous mutations. By curbing oxidative stress, flavonoids help create an environment where healthy cells thrive and abnormal cells struggle to survive. Another significant benefit lies in grapes' ability to influence cancer-linked inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of resveratrol play a key role in reducing chronic inflammation, a major contributor to cancer development. Studies suggest that consuming grapes may also inhibit angiogenesis, a process where tumors develop new blood vessels to sustain their growth. To reap their full benefits, enjoy grapes fresh, as juice, or even frozen for a refreshing snack. Incorporating a handful of red or purple grapes into your daily routine is a delicious way to fortify your body's defense against cancer. Number 6. Strawberries. Strawberries are much more than a delightful treat, they're a nutritional powerhouse packed with cancer-fighting properties. These vibrant red berries owe their protective capabilities to their high concentration of ellagic acid, a natural compound that has been shown to inhibit tumor growth by neutralizing harmful carcinogens. Ellagic acid also supports the body's detoxification processes, helping to rid it of potentially cancer-causing substances. What sets strawberries apart is their abundance of anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their vivid hue. These antioxidants are powerful allies in preventing oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of various cancers, including esophageal and colorectal cancers. By fighting free radicals, anthocyanins protect cells from damage that could lead to abnormal growth. Strawberries also contain vitamin C, a potent immune booster that plays a role in strengthening the body's natural defenses against disease. A strong immune system is crucial in identifying and destroying abnormal cells before they have a chance to develop into tumors. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is more than just a delicious tropical fruit, it's a potent ally in the fight against cancer. Its vibrant orange flesh is packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to combat free radicals. This compound has been widely studied for its role in reducing the risk of several cancers, including prostate, stomach, and lung cancer, by neutralizing oxidative damage at the cellular level. A standout feature of papaya is its enzymatic richness, particularly papain, which aids digestion and ensures the body efficiently absorbs essential nutrients. Proper digestion supports the removal of toxins that may contribute to cancer development. Additionally, papaya contains fiber, which plays a key role in promoting a healthy digestive tract and lowering the risk of colorectal cancer by facilitating the elimination of waste and harmful substances. Papaya is also a rich source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which enhances immune function. A robust immune system can better detect and destroy abnormal cells before they progress into full-blown cancer. Alongside this, papaya provides an array of phytonutrients, including flavonoids, which help inhibit inflammation, a condition often linked to the onset and spread of cancer. So, let's recap the 7 fruits that can naturally fight cancer. Number 1. Blueberries for their anthocyanins and flavonoids. Number 2. Pomegranates with their ellagic acid. Number 3. Citrus fruits rich in vitamin C and limonoids. Number 4. Apples full of quercetin and fiber. Number 5. Grapes, especially red and purple, loaded with resveratrol. Number 6. Strawberries with their ellagic acid and antioxidants. Number 7. Papaya, a tropical treat high in beta-carotene and lycopene. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can help your body naturally fight cancer while boosting overall health. Remember, prevention is better than cure, and what you eat plays a critical role in your well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more health tips like these. Let me know in the comments which of these fruits you're adding to your diet today. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.